Right, can I have your attention before you scroll past? This is very urgent, very important, and I'd like you to share this message as far and wide as you can. Do you remember the sheep that got stolen near us about was it 3 or 4 months ago by the sheep thief Howell Williams? Do you remember that? Well, it's only gone and happened again. Now, down the road about 3 miles away, there's 42 sheep out of a 400 flock gone missing in the Capel Cynnon for Strathsol area. A field in Capel Cynnon where there's 400 sheep, 42 have been stolen. It has been reported to Dyfed Parish Police. I think it's on their socials. I'll check, I'll share it if it is. But can I get all the people who kindly shared that message that I put initially from the first lot of thefts, can you please share this message as far and wide as you can, because you were instrumental in helping catch that thief, and you can be instrumental in getting justice again on this occasion. The sheep are described as being white-faced with a few black faces, lambs with a green and blue mark on their rumps and back, as you'll see in the photographs now. The lambs haven't been tagged, but they do have like distinctive notches in their ears. Okay, so if you see any sheep or lambs in any sales or in any abattoirs or in any fields that look like they've got fresh tags in their ears but they've got notches in their ears as well, they're probably stolen, because none others have been sold from this farm with those notches this year. That's the first lot that have actually gone missing. So if you've got any information at all, I'm appealing to you, because you did such a good job last time in catching that thief. I'm appealing to you, please, can you help me catch this one as well? I think together we'll manage it. Get the word out, spread the message as far and wide as you can. And yeah, let's get these sheep too hot to handle, like we've proven that we can do before. Diolch yn fawr. I hope to see some shares soon.